Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling the system feature so floating windows can work. Go to Settings, then Apps and Multitasking, and grant floating window permission for the apps you plan to use. Once done, make sure Gestures or the Navigation Multitask option is enabled. This lets you summon windows quickly. Now open the target app and keep it in the Recent Apps list. This positions it for the next step when you'll convert it into a floating window. Once the app is in Recent, long press its icon or card and select Floating Window to create the overlay. You'll see a small movable panel. Drag the header to position it where you want and grab a corner to resize. This helps you keep the app usable while doing something else. Make sure to use the header controls. Tap for split screen, pin to keep it on top, or tap close to dismiss. These adjustments let you balance visibility and interaction smoothly. To finish, pin the floating window if you want it persistent, or save the layout when the launcher supports it. Otherwise, close using the header X or swipe it off screen. If the floating option doesn't appear, open App Info and confirm floating permission and overlay access are granted. If problems persist, restart the phone, clear the app cache, or update system software. These steps usually resolve permission glitches or UI bugs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.